Welcome to the latest video. Today we're diving into a common problem that developers face while working with Twilio's API in a node.js Express app. The issue at hand involves implementing a rate limiter per user account to control the call intervals effectively. However, when attempting to send a verification code, an error message pops up stating an invalid rate limits param due to a missing rate limit with a unique name tied to the user. Now, let's delve into the solution that cracks this puzzle wide open. By tweaking the rate limits parameter with precision, you can ensure that the call intervals are restricted per user ID. The key lies in setting the unique name to the value assigned to the unique name property when creating the rate limiter. This adjustment in the code will enable the system to track and enforce the call limits for each individual user ID. Remember, it's all in the details. To wrap things up, we've successfully addressed the initial problem by honing in on the correct configuration for the rate limits parameter. By tailoring the unique name field to the user ID, we've unlocked the door to seamless rate limiting per account. I hope this solution guides you in navigating similar challenges in your coding endeavors. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any coding conundrums you'd like us to unravel next time. Happy coding, and until next time.